Hey, how are we doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is, whatever time it is at your place. How are we doing today? Today we are going to be watching some videos that I took at my second ever drift event. It was so much fun. I'm having a blast with this drifting stuff, and as of last event, all I did was change the oil and pick up some more free tires. They're, not street legal. Tread's too small, so I picked them up for free at the tire shop nearby. This event, it was $40 to get in. It was 2 hours and a half from my house, and I didn't truck and trailer the car over. I drove the car with 6 tires in it, with my backpack and helmet and a jack and some jack stands and some tools, and it was packed, but I made it. And my biggest fear was the car breaking down, being 2.5 hours away from my house, but spoiler alert, it did not. We're going to dive into a couple of videos. This was a 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. event. Unfortunately, my GoPro died, so I couldn't get any night footage. Probably wouldn't have turned out anyway, but it was a lot of fun. I definitely saw a lot of improvement, especially beginning to end. We're going to try something different. I'm going to play the first lap and then my best lap, which is usually, as it stands, the last lap's been the best lap, pretty much, if not the second to last lap. So we're gonna put those two side by side, and you can just see how much I progressed throughout the day. Let's dive right into it. I'll shut up. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stupid stuff. If you liked it, maybe tell a friend. Enjoy.
Yeah, they still got a little tread. They're old too.
Yeah, I rode in Spencer's car like this because I didn't put a seatbelt on. It was fun.
Car sick still?
Yeah.
That'll do it for today. I had so much fun with this. I can't stress it enough. I mean, if you are on the fence about getting into drifting, just do it. Find a cheap beater, E36, 350Z for cheap, fix it up, get out there, man. I drive mine, it's street legal. I had a goal set, you know, I wanted to be street legal, I wanted to be daily material, but I wanted to drift too. I went out there, I did it, and now I'm learning how to drift, and you could just see the progress. I mean, compared to the first event and the second event, it's just night and day. And I can't even imagine what's going to happen on the third event or the fourth event. So, hope you enjoyed. There's another event coming up soon. I'll be posting that one. And see you babes later.